You've already used artificial intelligence at least a dozen times today. Before you even finished your morning coffee, AI decided what emails you saw first, predicted what you type next, and quietly scanned your face to unlock your phone. Here's the wild part. Most people have no idea this is happening. They think AI is some futuristic robot technology, something for scientists and tech billionaires. But the truth? AI is already running huge parts of your life, making thousands of tiny decisions you never even notice. Today, I'm going to show you 10 examples of AI you use every single day without realizing it. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. Before we dive into the examples, let's get one thing straight. Artificial intelligence isn't a robot with feelings, at least not yet. It's simply software that can learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Think of it like this. Instead of a programmer writing specific rules for every situation, they create a system that figures out the patterns on its own. Feed it millions of photos of cats, and it learns what a cat looks like. Feed it your music history, and it learns what songs you'll probably enjoy. That learning ability is what makes it intelligent. And it's everywhere. Every time you glance at your phone to unlock it, AI is working overtime. Your device doesn't just store a photo of your face, it creates a mathematical map of your facial features. The distance between your eyes, the shape of your cheekbones, the contours of your jawline. When you pick up your phone, AI compares what it sees against that map in milliseconds. It even adapts as you change. New glasses, different haircut, growing a beard. That's machine learning in action, updating its understanding of you constantly. Ever wonder how Netflix always seems to know what you're in the mood for? It's not magic. It's a recommendation algorithm powered by AI. Netflix analyzes everything. What you watch, when you pause, what you rewatch, even what you hover over but don't click. It compares your behavior to millions of other users with similar tastes. If people who love the same shows as you also love this new thriller, Netflix bets you will too. That's why your homepage looks completely different from your friends. Each one is personalized just for you. Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist feels almost creepy. How does it find songs you've never heard but instantly love? The answer is collaborative filtering combined with audio analysis. Spotify's AI examines your listening history, but it also analyzes the actual sound waves of songs, tempo, key, energy, mood. Then it finds tracks with similar sonic fingerprints that other users with your taste have enjoyed. Every Monday, it serves you a fresh playlist that feels handpicked by a friend who knows your music tastes better than you do. Every time you type a message, AI is watching. Your keyboard's autocorrect and predictive text run on machine learning models trained on billions of sentences. They don't just fix spelling errors. They predict what word you'll type next based on context. Type running late, be there, and your phone knows soon is probably coming. Over time, it even learns your personal quirks, your slang, your favorite phrases, the weird way you spell your best friend's nickname. That's your keyboard, building a tiny language model just for you. When Google Maps tells you there's a faster route, it's not just reading current traffic, it's predicting the future. The app collects real-time location data from millions of phones on the road, combines it with historical patterns, and uses AI to forecast how traffic will flow in the next hour. If it knows a certain highway gets jammed every day at 5:15 p.m., it'll reroute you before you even hit the slowdown. It's essentially crowdsourced time travel, powered by machine learning models running on Google's massive servers. Your inbox should be a disaster zone. Every day, spam filters block hundreds of junk emails, phishing attempts, and scam messages before you ever see them. This is AI classification at work. The filter analyzes every incoming email: the sender, the subject line, the words used, the links included, and scores how likely it is to be spam. It learns from billions of emails and from your personal behavior too. When you mark something as spam, you're actually training the AI to get smarter. It's your invisible email bodyguard. Here's where AI gets controversial. Every social media platform, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, uses AI to decide what you see. The algorithm tracks what posts you like, share, comment on, and how long you pause while scrolling. It builds a model of what captures your attention, then fills your feed with more of exactly that. This is why two people following the same accounts see completely different feeds. The AI is optimizing for engagement, keeping you scrolling as long as possible. It's powerful, useful, and worth being aware of. That stunning photo you just took, your phone made hundreds of AI-powered decisions to create it. Modern smartphone cameras use computational photography, AI, that enhances images in real time. It recognizes faces and adjusts focus, detects scenes and optimizes colors, reduces noise in low light, and even merges multiple exposures into one perfect shot. Portrait mode? That's AI creating artificial depth blur by figuring out what's the subject and what's background. You're not just taking photos anymore. You're collaborating with an AI artist. Ever had your card declined on a completely legitimate purchase while traveling? Annoying, yes. But it means AI fraud detection is working. Your bank monitors every transaction in real time, comparing it against your normal spending patterns. Buy coffee every morning in Mumbai, but suddenly there's a purchase in Sweden? Red flag. The AI looks at location, amount, merchant type, time of day, and hundreds of other signals. It decides in milliseconds whether a transaction seems legitimate or suspicious. It catches millions of fraud attempts every day that you never even hear about. Amazon knows what you want before you do. That's not hyperbole. The recommendation: AI analyzes your browsing history, purchase history, search queries, and what's in your cart. But it goes deeper. It looks at what similar customers bought, what products are frequently purchased together, and even predicts when you might run out of something you regularly buy. Those customers also bought suggestions, convert billions in sales, because the AI genuinely understands shopping patterns better than we understand ourselves. When you ask Alexa or Google Assistant a question, you're triggering one of the most complex AI systems ever built. First, speech recognition AI converts your voice into text. Then, natural language processing figures out what you actually meant. Finally, another system generates a response and text-to-speech AI speaks it back. All of this happens in under a second. These assistants learn your voice over time, getting better at understanding your accent, your usual requests, and even the way you phrase questions. You're literally training AI every time you speak. So there you have it. 10 ways AI is already woven into your daily life. Your face unlocks your phone through computer vision. Recommendation algorithms curate your entertainment. And fraud detection AI silently protects your money without you lifting a finger. The key takeaway? AI isn't some distant future technology. It's here, it's helpful, and understanding it gives you power over the tools you use every day. Ready to go deeper? Head to our How Machine Learning Actually Works video next. I'll show you exactly how these systems learn from data. If you found this eye-opening, subscribe to Sukrid LearnHub and hit that bell icon. And drop a comment below. Which AI example surprised you the most? I read every single one. See you in the next video.